What's up, guys? It's Ramsey with Spraywell. Today we're going over our 7-gallon a minute 12-volt Spartan soft wash unit. Just want to look at a couple things that we got going on. Comes with this Titan hose reel, 200 foot of Fierce Jet soft wash hose. Comes with the gun and the J-rod in it, all ready to go. And you got under here, got your 7-gallon pump. You want to take a look at that. 7-gallon a minute. Comes with a battery box, battery charger. Battery is sold separately, as well as this nice Spraywell bucket we got here. Then in this bucket, we got the feed line. You're gonna use this basically, just put in your tank that you got. It automatically prime the pump when you start it up and feed it. Nice full frame, all aluminum, welded. Does come with these if you want to mount it on a skid. Comes with your buffers, as well as 4 bolts all around the box, ready to go out the box. Plug the battery in, ready to go. We're gonna go through a little bit of a quick start guide on how to get this thing. First time you're running it, first you wanna get your battery. We're gonna go here, get a close up of what we got, just normal kind of 12 volt from Amazon, just to get this video for you guys. So this battery connection is to the pump and to the switch here. You can see the switch on, off, very simple. This side right here is going to be your battery charger. So once you're done with the unit, you're going to plug it into your normal house outlet and then thread these on to the battery. So when you're not using it, be able to charge it for next use. With this, simple battery connection, negative to negative, positive to positive. Go ahead and get this in here. Super quick. Sure, we'll do a time lapse. Once you got that all tight here, put it back in your battery box like such. Close it up, strap it back in, whatever you'd like to do. And then after that, you want to go to your hose, get your connection started, unpop your hose reel, reel out however much line you want. This is the fun part. Got the gun here, comes preset with a quick connect. Quick connect going to go, basic quick connect, whatever tip you want. 4 different tips. We got 40 degree, 30 degree, and a straight shooter at the end here. All set up for this 7-gallon a minute unit. So once you get that in there, connect it to here. Then you put your water line, your feed line into whatever tank you're using, system like that. And then as soon as that's done, connect this, hit that switch, and be ready to go. We're about to show you what it's going to look like in just a few moments. We're out in this blazing sun now. I'll show you how this thing works. First, got this J-rod gun. We're going to go ahead and get it connected. Let's take a look at these tips that we got on here. We have a 40 degree at a 4 gallons, 25, 15, a classic 0 there. All your spraying needs right here. Go ahead and get this connected. Probably give you a quick time lapse. We just showed you how to get this done. We'll go through a demonstration of all the tips as well while we're here. All right, guys, we'll do a quick demonstration of how each of these tips spray, how this unit works. Got 2 5-gallon buckets just to show you guys spraying needs on it. First thing we're gonna do, start this pump up. You hear it priming a little bit, about 35, 40 seconds, get started. This is the first tip, the 0 degree. Wait for that to fully prime. See, hit that soffit like that. Perfect for it. Back up a little bit. We're still there. That's the 0 degree. All right, so now we got the 15 degree. This one's more of your classic kind of spray tip. Foaming the side of a roof, side of a house, you want a little bit more distance, but you don't want it to be a fan as much. So that kind of looks like. Spray there. It's your 15 degree. We're back here with the 25. We just recorded this a little bit, but video got messed up because of a errant thumb by our cameraman Jeff. So back out here again. This is the 25, showing you spray pattern on it, what it looks like, the fan. Here we go. Nice fan. Looks like this. That's gonna be our 25. Not the Spraywell bucket. All right, guys, now we got our last tip, our 40 degree. This is going to be a lot wider of a fan, more of a mist kind of option when you're going to do these jobs. This is what it's going to look like. I'm going to show you on the wall. We're going to spray it right here once again. All right, guys, once again, this is Ramsey with Spraywell with our 12 volt, 7 gallon a minute unit. We do offer 5.3s as well. Currently, we're running a sale, $200 off the 5.3s, $300 off the 7 gallons a minute. Once again, thank you to my cameraman, Jeff. Thank you guys for watching.